So we're here in Clovis, California, just finished installing a brand new Rinnai water heater. This is their latest model line. So this is external natural gas. It's RE160 exterior natural gas model. And all this plumbing was here already, so you can see pipes coming out of the wall, shut off valve for the cold water, hose bib, and then the riser up to that point right here. That was all existing. Same thing over here, hot water from there down and over to there, and all of this piping. So looks like there's a drain there and whatever. The only thing that we've connected to this configuration of piping down low is a brand new Falcon stainless steel connector here. So it's a 24-inch. Come on over, you can see that right in there. And then a brass nipple, brass 90. So this is the hot water out. So after the water, you know, after this does its job, water comes out of here and feeds the house. This is the cold water in, so nice shut off valve right there. And then comes up Falcon stainless steel connector, which we put in right here, and then up to the cold side. So we did give you a flush kit, an isolation valve kit. It did not come with the water heater. They're about $110, whatever, and that's on the house. This you'll need for flushing purposes every year. If you want to do it yourself, we can tell you what to get and how to do it. Super easy process. Or you can have us do it, but you're looking at $225 a year. So like I say, a little learning curve, and then you just wait, go inside, have coffee, whatever, wait about an hour, and it's done. And that's just to flush out the heat exchanger. I do mine every 6 months because we've got 7 people in the building. Anyways, this is your gas as well that was stubbed out. Somebody ran it, I don't know when, but that's yours. The shutoff valve's yours. This supply line is yours, and it was still in good shape. Same thing that we use, the Duratrack. And so that's tied back into the unit, so gas is good. Then, of course, your wire. We disassembled it. Got you a new wire restraint up here, this little electrical attachment right there. So if you pull on it, it doesn't come out. And then got you plugged back in over here. This receptacle was there as well. So like I say, it's pretty much just a change out. The old one, someone had taken an interior water heater and mounted it out here and ran a van up the side and mounted it to the fascia board. And that's not code. Inside unit outdoors is not code. So anyways, that's what you got right there. If you register this in 90 days, they're going to give you an additional 4 years of labor, which brings it to 5 years total. So you can see this right here. So after registration, so they got your labor, and I don't know much about QR codes, but certainly, I mean, we can take a look at it and see if we can get it registered for you. If not, then you've got this, and then of course this is your model number and serial number. Where is it? Right there. So model number, serial number, and anyways, we'll see if we can get that, take a picture of that and get it registered, and if not, we'll show you how to do it online at Rinnai. Outside of that, this installation is done.